buzzing out Pluto.
When I handle business, I be handling the poolside. Niggas steady flipping, they be capping out that rooftop. Running on the niggas, only time I get the whoops out. Running on the niggas, only time I get the whoops out. Way too many bitches, I just stack them in the queue. When I handle business, I be handling the poolside. Niggas steady flipping, they be capping out that rooftop. Running on the niggas, only time I get the whoops out. Running on the niggas, only time I get the whoops out. RP Woo, just land the flight club NYC. Real life fight club, only one can be the me and me. 18 walking folly with no ID, bitch, play for the team. Ain't spend not $1, I can see the strip for free. True story, yeah, missed a couple blacks, got me praying to the Lord again. Goodbye, big fly, touch the floor, the Lord again. Quick buy, had to switch them up, cause it keep pouring. And your bitch slide, she had my casket, she blowing it 6 high. It was 10, but I threw 4 of it. Switch side, go ahead, never go of it. But when we find C, bitch, y'all already know what it is. She don't say a thing when a nigga tell her who's up. Way too many bitches, I just like I'm in the queue. When I handle business, I be handling the poolside. Niggas steady flipping, they be capping out that rooftop. Running on the niggas, only time I get the whoops out. Running on the niggas, only time I get the whoops out. Way too many bitches, I just like I'm in the queue. When I handle business, I be handling the poolside. Niggas steady flipping, they be capping out that rooftop. Running on the niggas, only time I get the whoops out. Running on the digits, only time I get the whoops out.
I'm super overstimulated, but I can't ask for a better day for us.
Yeah.
People still partying outside, we're on the boat. Started 3 p.m. Looks like we're going on 3 a.m. right now, so I got work to do though, so I'm gonna have to let them party and get back to the business.
Yeah.
But to everybody that came out, appreciate y'all. I had a great time. See y'all soon. Shout out Cosmic the Oasis.